How to log people out of your Instagram. If you want to log people out of your Instagram, here's what you need to do. Open Instagram app on your phone like this. Click on profile icon at the bottom right. And then tap on triple line at the top right like this. And go to settings and privacy at the top. And then click on accounts center. And scroll to account settings and tap on password and security. And scroll to security checks and tap on where you're logged in. And you can see at the account section, you will see where are you logged in before. The next step that you can do is log it out one by one and tap log out. Yeah, that's all the tutorial on how to log people out from your Instagram account. Hope this tutorial helps and see you in the next one. Bye bye.